Cryptocurrency airdrops might sound like something from a sci-fi novel, but they're very real and potentially lucrative. Imagine receiving free tokens from a blockchain project, just for being part of their community. Exciting, right? Today, we're exploring the thrilling world of airdrops and how you can gain free crypto like a pro. Let's start by understanding what airdrops are. Essentially, they're a marketing strategy used by blockchain projects to distribute free cryptocurrency to the wallets of current holders. This can happen as part of a launch, to reward loyalty, or to stimulate interest in a new project. The crucial point is that, with the right approach, you can turn these opportunities into a steady stream of assets. So, how do you get started? First, staying informed is essential. Platforms like CoinMarketCap and social media channels such as Twitter and Telegram are hubs for airdrop announcements. Consistent monitoring of these platforms increases your chances of catching the latest updates. You should also consider creating a separate email specifically for crypto-related news to streamline your information gathering. Next, participation is key. Often, tasks such as following social media accounts, joining specific groups, or sharing posts are required to qualify for an airdrop. These might seem simple, yet they can significantly boost your chances of securing bonus tokens. Ensure you have a compatible wallet ready, as some airdrops necessitate specific wallets or holding a particular base cryptocurrency. However, always remain cautious. Scammers often imitate legitimate projects to deceive eager participants. Never share your private keys, and double-check your sources. Legitimate airdrops will never ask for personal information beyond your wallet address. In conclusion, while airdrops represent an exciting way to gain free cryptocurrency, success lies in vigilance and active participation. By staying informed and exercising caution, you can truly gain crypto like a pro and enrich your digital assets. So, are you ready to dive into the airdrop experience? If you want to learn how people earn crypto online, watch the free videos at joinalexnow.com.